So we're going to continue to talk about AT tools for preschool aged children. And so this tool is the read aloud or text to speech. So it's the opposite of the one that we've already talked about where you talk and it types. This one will read text to you. So it's an assistive technology tool in which the computer or tablet reads the words from the screen out loud to the user. The technology is popular for those who have difficulty with reading, especially those who struggle with decoding. By presenting the words auditorially, the student can focus on the meaning of the words instead of spending all their brain power trying to sound out the words. So we're going to trial this out. We're going to trial this out with a corduroy book. And this one, you've already got the extension on your laptop if that's what you're using, or if it should be on there for your tablet as well. And you can click that and it'll read to you. On this particular one, we can also click down here. And I've already started a page just because it likes to give you from the beginning all of the information. But we can push play. Now, this reading tool is obviously digital, so it's kind of spaced out in how it sounds when it's reading, but it gives you the idea of reading a story, especially if an adult is not available at the time that you want to read a certain text, or if you want to just be independent and try to read things by yourself. This is a great way to check to make sure that you're decoding the words correctly, as some of us are starting to really get the hang of that as we're preparing for our kindergartens. Entrance. So this is a great tool just to have someone be able to read the text to you, and then you can practice along with that. Thank you.